guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how you can add your COVID-19 vaccination card to your digital wallet, or also known as your Apple Wallet. As per the CDC guideline, most public places such as the restaurants, movie theaters are now requiring everyone to be fully vaccinated before they are allowed any entry. So in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can go ahead and add that to your digital wallet. So with that, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have the QR code. You should have received that when you received your COVID-19 vaccination shot. So if you did not receive one, you can always reach out to your provider and they should be able to email it to you, or you can have one pick it up from the provider. So in my case, since I got mine at the Walgreens, I do have the QR code. And with that, the first thing I'm going to do is you want to open up your camera app. And then here's my QR code. So as soon as you open it, you want to scan the QR code. And then here you can see the last option that says the COVID-19 vaccination. I'm going to hit that. And as soon as I do that, it's going to present me with this screen and ask me if I want to add to the wallet and health. So yes, I'm going to go and hit this option in blue. And once I do that, I'm going to get confirmation that it's been added. So I'm going to hit done. And the last step you want to do is you want to select where it says view in wallet. So I'm going to do view in wallet. And there is my electronic vaccination card. And the other way you can get to your digital wallet vaccination records is if you're at a restaurant and you need to show them the record digital wallet. All you do is you want to go ahead and hit the side button twice if you have the iPhone 10 or newer, which will launch your Apple Card. So I'm going to go ahead and hit twice. And there it is. And then it's going to ask for your passcode. And then once you verify your passcode with Face ID, you should be able to pull up the vaccination card here. So I'm going to tap the bottom where all my cards are. And then right here. Here's my vaccination card. And I should be able to show that to the person asking at a restaurant, and that should take care of that. So there you have it guys. In just a few steps you can go ahead and add your COVID-19 vaccination card to your digital wallet. I hope you find this video useful and enjoyable. If you haven't already done so, please remember to go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As always, see you on the next one.